Hello everyone, welcome to the Office Excel course. In this section, I will introduce data validation. Setting data validation in Excel can help us to enter data quickly and correctly. Now, let's see how to use this tool. For example, we want to enter gender data in this column. Firstly, hold down the Shift key. Click the first cell and the last cell in the cell range to input data, and quickly select the cell range. Click Data, Data Validation in the menu bar. Fill in the validation criteria in the settings. Select List here and enter male, female in the source. Pay attention here, you need to use commas in English to separate these two values. Click OK. In this case, you don't need to enter the word. Just drop down the list and select the value as needed. Data validation also allows us to avoid entering incorrect data. For example, the length of the phone number is 11 digits. We can select the cell range and set the criteria of data validation as text length. Then set the data equal to value 11. If we put more or less digital than 11, the entered value will be regarded as invalid. In this way, entering incorrect data can be avoided effectively. Data validation is very powerful, which can set various kinds of criteria. You can use it flexibly to avoid errors.